Nobody prepares you for the day you realize that you never said it enough. No card, no quote, no moment was big enough for everything she gave you. Today, that changes. These are the most powerful quotes for mothers, words that actually mean something. Stay till the end, and one of these will make you call her right now. Most mother quotes sound nice, very few of them actually hit. This video only this video is only the ones that hit. So let's get started. First one is, Mom, you are the one place where I never have to explain myself. Second one is, you understand even the things I don't say out loud. Third one is, no matter how much I grow, I know I will always be your child. Fourth one is, your love is quiet, but it is the strongest thing I feel. Fifth one is, you never ask for anything, yet you give me everything. Sixth quote is, when life feels heavy, my heart always comes back to you. Seventh one is, I understand your value more in your silence than in words. Next one is, I know you hide your pain, so I don't have to feel it. Next quote is, every strength I have today started from you. Next quote is, you may stand behind me, but you are the reason I stand at all.